Hello, I'm Autumn. I'm back to show you some more makeup for people my age, people over 40, people who maybe don't know how to apply makeup, aren't used to applying makeup, aren't professionals with makeup at all, because I am certainly not. But today I'm excited to show you the Naked by Urban Decay Ultraviolet palette. This is a must-have for me because I always wear purples, and I will show you some of these colors. I think they're gorgeous, and the price was like 48 pounds, so it was quite spendy. I had to sell some stuff on Etsy in order to get it. But, and if you don't, oh gosh, you can see my old dirty house. All right, there we go. See the colors here. Now the colors look different than they do in the photos. If you can see, this is natural lighting, so this in the photos looks like a black, and even here it might even look a bit black, but it's actually quite like a metallic, I wish I could get the tone in there, but like a metallic neutral, metallic dark neutral tone. And I think it's going to be quite nice. And then we have, you can look at the page and look at the colors yourself. You don't need me to explain it to you. So I'm going to use the brush that they provided. I have lots of brushes of my own, but I think if you're going to use the palette they give you, you might as well try out the brush that comes with it and see how it goes. So I'm trying to unwrap that now. I'm using Urban Decay lipstick in Exhibition. I don't even know if they sell it anymore, but that's what it is. And I have some natural lighting here. My skin is looking a bit dry because I forgot to put moisturizer on before I did my foundation, which is like a huge no-no. Now I don't even know where to start with this palette. It looks really gorgeous. I also have the Game of Thrones palette, which I like, and I might do a video on that a bit later, even though I don't think they sell it very much anymore. It's a gorgeous palette. But I don't know where to start because it's kind of divided here. So you kind of have these neutrals over here, and these neutrals could go with this one at the end. And then you also have all these purples here. Now these purples kind of remind me of the Clinique colors I used to get, three or four purple colors, and I used to wear those to work every day. So like purple is definitely one of my favorite colors. I know everybody is really excited about this color called Lucid, but in person, it doesn't look as vibrant as it does in the advertisement. So I will have to try that out and see if it is as bright as it looks. So I'm just gonna go in there, I guess. Since I have the purple lipstick on, I will go with the purples, even though I really wanna try Dazed. I will start, maybe, there's a color here, it's called Optimized, which is next to Lucid, and it's a matte. It's very matte pink, almost like pink purple mix. So I will go ahead and just kind of apply that up here, so I could be blending some of this purpley color into my lid. Now I don't have the best lids for displaying makeup. I'm an older lady. Oh, I should do two looks. I'll do one look on this side in purple and one look on the other side with the coppery tones. I think that's what I'll do. All right, so I have my matte. I'm going to just try and blend it in there. Not that you can see much of a difference. This is very light. It has a tiny bit of a sheen to it, so it's not perfectly matte, I would say. It's Optimized, looks matte, but it kind of has this light sheen to it. There's a lot of it coming off, I should say, around the brush area. My inclination now would be to change brushes, but I'm not going to do that yet because I'm going to just try and use one brush. I am curious to see how digital works. Now, digital is that kind of brownish metallic color that looked like black online, and it's not black. And I'm going to go ahead and put that on the edges here because I always like the edge of my eye to be darker than the rest of everything. And I probably should have applied a lighter color first elsewhere, but whatever. Now this blends really nice, I've got to say. I really like this color. It's like not black, not brown, like a mix between the two, plus it's a bit metallic, so I'm kind of liking that look right now. And I think I need some bright color I've got the pink, I've got the dark, and now I'm going to go straight into warning. And I'm going to put some of the warning into the crease, I think. Or should it go on the top of the lid? I'm going to put warning on the top of the lid. And I'm going to use a smaller brush for this because I have all of the darker stuff on the other end of the brush that I just used, which is probably bad. But warning should give off a bright color onto my lid, which I think needs showing off, this part of my lid, really more than the rest. Because I've got this, I don't know what it's called. Is it hooded? I bet I have a hooded lid. I'm Native American, so I'll probably do. So yeah, this you can layer, and I'm going to go in and I'm just going to take my finger in, because sometimes with Urban Decay, you really get a better color, and you do with your fingers. The fingers are sometimes the best applicator for these colors, and that is gorgeous. I love this. Oh, it's gorgeous. Yes, for warning. Warning is a cool color. It doesn't even show up on camera the way it does in my mirror. So I need a ring light. Somebody buy me a ring light. All right, and I'm gonna go in with some Lucid. The one that everybody's talking about is Lucid, and I'm going to use a different brush that is not the Urban Decay brush. I lied. I'm just gonna switch it up, okay? I have some brand new Morph brushes that I want to use. So I'm going to go straight into Lucid. Now Lucid is the one that everybody online is like, I need that color. It's like a shimmery aqua color. And everybody's putting it inside the lid. I would like to see a look with it going over the whole of the lid, and I think that would be good. But this will still mix in and blend with the purples. Don't know what's wrong with my camera. It does look like crap. All right, so now we're just gonna go over to the other side of the palette. This eye, we're going to try out some of these golden tones. I was really excited to possibly try VR. I'm gonna look at my Game of Thrones palette and compare some of these because I think these look similar. I am correct. I would say that Nymeria in the Game of Thrones palette is similar to Hacked. And Hacked is a matte color. It's just a neutral color. So I'm just going to start with that matte neutral color on the edge of this eye. And this is a gorgeous color. Now this is a true matte. And I would say you could just wear this every day, just naked on your whole lid. The way that just blended on there like that, my God. That is gorgeous. Ooh. I will move all of this out to a different light so you can see it. But while I'm applying it, it doesn't really matter. But my God, Hacked is beautiful. Hacked is also spreading all over my palette onto the other colors. So it is very powdery and it comes off very easily. So watch out. I'm gonna put some more on just so I don't waste it because dang, it is getting everywhere. So Hacked is beautiful. You might have some fallout from Hacked. All right, now I'm gonna go straight into VR, and it's again with the glittery Urban Decay colors. They tend to go and be best applied with a fingertip. If you find that your brushes are not working, try your fingertip. Now this color is called VR, and it is gorgeous. It's like a sparkly neutral color. It's not near any of the colors we had on the Game of Thrones palette. So I'm just gonna put that on the lid right here. Oh my God. Oh my God, I love it. VR is staying in my repertoire. And it's also gonna go on with my fingertip because I think it's gonna be better. Oh my God, I love VR. Those two colors together are just gorgeous. I wish I knew how to apply makeup better. I need something in the crease, and I don't think there's anything in this palette that's really dark enough to go into this neutral crease. I don't know what to do here. I will put some of this lighter color called Trippin' up above at the top because I know people like to highlight around the brow. So I will do that here. Trippin'. Yeah, Trippin' is quite matte. Again, it kind of blends it up together, which is nice, but don't know if it made that much of a difference. And again, oh gosh, this palette is just like powdery. I'll show you the next time I do it, but the powder just gets everywhere. So you can see already, it's like, don't blame me, that'd be the makeup. Because I have lots of makeup that does not do that. Okay. I gotta blow that off. I'm gonna go in with the digital. Digital goes in the crease. Again, this dark color at the end, that would be your crease color for, oh my God, the rest of these colors. Yes, 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 yes. This is like, it's like the color of poop, but it's gorgeous poop. It's really dark and really mocha chocolatey. So for like an ultraviolet palette, why does this look so chocolatey? I don't know. Put some VR on there. Yeah, digital on top of that matte didn't quite blend as well as it did on the purple side, but the orange side, it's there. I'm gonna have to blend that out because, whoa, it is just not staying calm. It is in your face, and that can be good for some looks, but this look I was going for is not supposed to be so in your face dark in there. And I got dark shit on the edges of my eyes, and that's fine because I think this is when you're supposed to take one of those glittery things and then just put it in the corner of your eye. There we go. I've got this dazed, so I've just put dazed on, and this is definitely a nighttime look because now the whole inside of my eye and the side here is just like purple, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over the rest of my eyelid. This is a pretty shitty makeup job on the left because digital, when applied over hacked, did a different color and a different thing than digital applied over optimized. So I will get you closer up so you can see the difference once I apply my other makeup, my mascara and stuff like that. I think these looks might look a bit better, and if I blend a bit better and have a bit more time, but this is already like a 12-minute